and welcome to this auspicious occasion. We, your host, heartfully welcome you. Myself, Pawan Beast and
myself, Lokendra Joshi. We, your host, welcome you to this auspicious program.
Respected teachers, honored guests, parents and dear friends. Namaste and a very warm welcome to you all present here today. Today is a day of both reflection and celebration. A day when we acknowledge the hard work of the past year and embrace the results of our efforts. Today is a moment to celebrate our hard work, achievements and progress. Results may bring joy to some and lessons to others. But remember, success is not just about marks, it's about growth and effort. Each one of us has learned something valuable this year. Annual Day reminds us that school is more than academics. From sports to art, leadership to teamwork, we all have contributed in our own way. Let's celebrate not just the winners, but everyone who gave their best. To those who have excelled, congratulations, your hard work has paid off.
And teacher's hand is behind the success of every person. A person is incomplete without a teacher. Every person becomes successful in the life with the help of teacher. Teacher makes the student culture and discipline student along with education. Having a teacher like a lamp in darkness who burn himself and expose other. Teacher is the second teacher after mother. Teacher makes the student discipline and education in the school. By saying this much, I want to conclude my speech here. Thank you.
उसकी वाट लगाना, साथ में खेले हम नए नए गेम, फिर मस्ती करने का ढूंढे बहाना, मेरा एक्शन कमेंट बनने का सपना, ईमानदारी को प्यार से रखना, रोज सताओ मशाओ को वो चैन की ना कैसे बंद कर बहना, आओ सब हम कर फन जब तक ना भर जाए मन, रोने की बात जन सो तो सिंचाने ना, अब तुम्हारे संग मैं शैतानी में मैं सबसे आगे, क्यों सारे मुझे देख के कहते ओ सिंचान.
Opportunity to introduce myself in this program. My name is Prisa Bhatta. I am from Bailodi Bazar. I read in Sahel KG. I am 4 years old. My hobby is dancing. My aim is to become a pilot. My school's name is Basile Vidya Niketan. My class teacher's name is Sarata Undari and Swastika Undari. My principal's name is Lakshman Diyal. My father's name is Atif Bhatta. My mother's name is Meena Bhatta. My favorite color's name is pink. My favorite fruit's name is grapes. My favorite food's name is soft rice. My favorite vegetables name is mushroom. My favorite subject's name is English.
Clap your hands, listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, listen to the music and jump up high.
My name is Yogita Bhatta. I read in class 2. There are 39 students in my class. There are 26 boys and 16 girls in my class. My classroom is medium size. It has 2 fans, 1 whiteboard, 2 windows and 2 doors in my class. My class teacher's name is Kalpana Joshi. She is great teacher. She is very friendly. I love my class teacher. फूलको आँखामा फूलै संसार, काँडाको आँखामा काँडै संसार, फूलको आँखामा फूलै संसार, को आँखामा काँडै संसार
जुनी काट्छु भन्थ्यौ नि मसित मनको साइनो जोडी छौ कोसित जुनी काट्छु भन्थ्यौ नि मसित मनको साइनो जोडी छौ कोसित
about my school. My school's name is Barshala Vidyaniketan. It is an English medium school. It lies in Belauri for Kanchanpur. It is my second home. There are around 650 students and 28 teaching and non-teaching staff. My teachers are very friendly. I love my school and my teachers very much. Thank you. नमस्कार, म समीक्षा पन्त कक्षा युकेजीबाट म सरस्वती वन्दना भन्न गइरहेकी छु। सरस्वती माया दृष्टा विराट पुस्तक धारणी हंसवाहन संयुक्ता विद्यादानं करोतु मे प्रथमं धारति दामा तृतीयं च सरस्वती तृतीयं च शारदा देवी चतुर्थं हंसवाहनी पंचमं तु जगन्नाथ षष्ठे भारी सरयुक्ता षष्ठम च कौमारी अष्टमं वरदायिनी नवम बुद्धिदात्री दशम ब्रह्मचारिणी एकादशम चम्रभण्डा द्वादशम भूमेश्वरी द्वादशम तानि नमानि तिसरः पचेनरा दिवाग्रहे वसन्ते रक्षे वर्णानुव्ये सरस्वती। धन्यवाद।
to talk about importance of saying thank you. Thank you is a small word, but it is very powerful. When we say thank you, we show respect and kindness. It makes people happy and spread love. We should say thank you to our parents for care for our teachers for teaching us new things, our friends for helping and playing with us, everyone who does something nice. Always remember to say thank you. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day. शिक्षकहरू र प्रिय साथीहरू, मेरो नाम वरुण जोशी हो। आज म हजुरहरूको सामु मलाई मनपर्ने खेल क्रिकेटको बारेमा भन्न गइरहेको छु। यो खेल धेरै रमाइलो खेल हो। यसमा बलिङ र फिल्डिङ हुन्छ। बलले ब्याटले बल हानेर रन बनाइन्छ। बलरले बल हानेर विकेट लिन्छ र फिल्डिङले समात्छ। My school name is Special Deputy Niketan. I read in class UKG. My class teacher's name is Bhumika Bhatta, 6 years old. My principal's name is Lakshman Singh Diyal.
मोरी बंसी बजैया नंद लाला कन्हैया।